The mother of a stabbed Forest High schoolboy here in Johannesburg is in court where his suspected killer is appearing. Here's the background. The grade 11 pupil facing one charge of murder, 2 counts of attempted murder for wounding 2 others. He's also from Forest High School in the city. The pupils were stabbed outside the school Monday. Reporter Linda Kulu has been tracking the story, joins us now. So what's emerged today?
Well, Jeremy, what we can tell you is that the 19-year-old appeared in court today, and what happened was that they decided to postpone the matter tomorrow because they want to make a formal bail application which will not be opposed by the National Prosecuting Authority. We understand, we just spoke to Pindile from the National Prosecuting Authority, who says that they do not feel that he is a flight risk and therefore they will not be opposing that. But they did say that they are looking at a minimum sentence of 15 years in terms of the charges that have been laid against him. But the family was here, as you rightfully said earlier on, and the mother looking very distraught as she walks out of court, and it seems that there's a little bit of hopelessness from the family and those who were accompanying the family as they walked towards the car that was taking them home, saying that they've lost it already, they've lost the case. But I guess that comes from the frustrations of waiting from early as 9 o'clock in the morning, and looking at the fact that now the matter has been postponed today for a bail application that will not be opposed by the state.
Of course, we're still grappling as far as circumstance and motive are concerned around this terrible incident, and the school itself also remaining in deep shock, I imagine.
Well, that is that speculation. In fact, allegations from the school saying that, from the eyewitnesses outside the school saying that what they saw was that the grade 11 pupil was actually the one that was being attacked on that particular day. But of course, police are investigating as to what exactly had led to that particular have been released right now.
All right, apologies for that, but I think we have the gist of it, so that case is postponed, one that we will continue to follow. In fact, I've just been told that we can rejoin Linda Kulu outside the court, who's also going to talk to a guest. Linda, I think we've re-established contact with you. Let's pick it up again.
Well, Jeremy, I was about to throw to Steve Mabona, the education spokesperson, about how they feel today, seeing that the case has been postponed for tomorrow for bail application. The state, of course, saying they won't be opposing that particular bail application, but the response from the education department about this.
Look, as the department, we respect the justice system. So it's not for us to say we will be going for opposing bail or not. I mean, the justice system will know if they are saying they are not going to oppose bail, what what are the reasons for them to say so. So as the department, we are satisfied. We will be monitoring the case very closely and make sure that we do what is expected out of us. The school, as we have actually informed that by tomorrow we should be starting with our examinations there, and we will continue to monitor the situation, and that's what we can do as a department.
And obviously the problem now is within those schools. They're saying that gangsterism is ripe and all of those other elements such as drugs, but what will the Department of Education be doing to address some of those issues that were raised after this particular incident?
Look, any allegation of gangsterism and drugs, like as the MSC has already indicated, we need to report those. People must not just do interviews or they interact with the media and they don't even come to the school and assist us with the information, because it will be difficult for us to say there's gangsterism, but we don't even know the name of one gang that is operating. We say, learn us this gangsterism, what are we going to do? Sporadic investigation in our school to say there's gangs, how are we going to be managing that? So it's important for information to be, submitted to the school, impart knowledge so that we are in a position to can investigate. We'll be knowing where to go. But for now, we don't have tangible information that, will suggest that there's gangsterism in the school.
All right, thank you so much. Steve Mawanda, the spokesperson there for the Department of Education, saying that they need tangible evidence, and of course that falls on the SGB of the school as well as the principal in reporting such matters. And they're saying in this particular instance they didn't receive any such report from the school, and therefore they do not believe that there is gangsterism that is operating in that area. But certainly what is said by many eyewitnesses certainly points to a direction that there needs to be some sort of intervention, after many have alleged that there is a gangsterism element playing in that particular school.
Not the first time we've heard that either. Linda Kutle Kulu, thank you very much.